Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Acura TL spark plugs. First, gather your tools: a 3/8 inch drive ratchet, various extensions, and a 5/8 inch spark plug socket. You'll also need new spark plugs, a torque wrench, and dielectric grease. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's access those spark plugs. Begin by removing the engine cover, which is usually held by a few bolts or clips. Once the cover is off, you'll see the ignition coils. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the release tab. Then, use your ratchet to unbolt each coil, typically with a 10mm socket, and gently pull them straight up and out of their wells. This reveals the spark plugs beneath. With the coils removed, it's time to tackle the spark plugs. Insert your 5/8 inch spark plug socket with an extension into the well, ensuring it seats properly. Loosen and remove each old spark plug. Before installing the new ones, apply a tiny bit of anti-seize compound to the threads. Hand tighten the new plugs to avoid cross-threading. Then use a torque wrench to tighten them to 22 foot-pounds for optimal performance and safety. You're almost done. Carefully reinsert each ignition coil into its well, ensuring it's fully seated. Reconnect the electrical connectors to each coil until you hear a click, confirming a secure connection. Double-check all connections. Finally, reattach the engine cover, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and start your Acura TL. Listen for any unusual sounds and enjoy your smoother running engine. Great job completing this maintenance task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.